This world is full of people having different states, colors, creeds, religions, beliefs, and faiths, and come from various social and economical backgrounds like students, teachers, workers, employers, farmers, businessmen, doctors, engineers, and various other professions. Each person, according to his beliefs and understanding, behaves and lives his life best suited to those beliefs. In the long run, many live a happy and contented life, while others always find themselves in a rut of constraints, restrictions, and unhappiness. Each person may give a reason for his prevailing state. At the same time, two persons living under the similar environment, one may be happy and the other unhappy, as per their personal beliefs and approach in life. People who have sufficient are sometimes self-centered in their approach towards life. They keep acquiring more and more without realizing the fact that this life is short-lived and one day will wake them up from this dream and make them realize how materialistic and self-centered they had been. The person who is absorbed in the materialistic world can be the one who lived just for himself without sympathizing and extending a helping hand to the needy without expecting anything in return. Many times brothers and sisters have issues while sharing ancestral property or financial matters. A person for being elder or someone amongst them with other self-centered means may overlook the need for settling it amicably for all as equals. The possibility cannot be ruled out regarding someone posing an emotional barrier for personal interest has total control over such dealings. He or she does not wish for equal distribution of property or wealth amongst themselves. Many people forcefully and illegally occupy the property or wealth of others. A person can behave good or bad because God has given him sense and strength. When he behaves as a good human being, he can be a living angel. All the bliss, noble views, perfect ideas, and greater possibilities of human consciousness may occur to him. When he behaves like an animal, then also there is no end to that. He can cross all the limits for being inhuman. The entire life gets wasted without realizing the fact about how immense happiness and contentment is felt by dedication, devotion, and sacrifice. This illusionary world has got so many its prey. The entire life of many gets wasted without realizing its reality. The height of ignorance amongst people considering themselves of upper class or superior in the society has to face nature's wrath. The law of karma is so clear. As you sow, so shall you reap. Spreading hatred against a caste, color, or religion is the highest sin. Religion may be a path to guide yourself to spiritualism. The day you find yourself one amongst all and at par with all the religions, universal brotherhood, you have achieved the highest goal of humanity. The drama of life is happening in its full swing. An enlightened person just watches the events of life as a spectator, performs his part consciously with full awareness. He is aware of the fact that his role is positive and constructive towards life. The wonderful tool for that is meditation and self-realization. By following systematically various techniques of meditation, you will have a totally different approach to life. The mind becomes balanced and stable in itself and stops unnecessary wandering. The sense of perception will perceive the world in its real perspective. There is complete silence and bliss within you at all the time. The mind becomes so balanced and cheerful and sees this wonderful world as a great gift to all the living beings. The approach of sharing this sense of understanding with everyone starts at that very moment. May God enlighten all to follow the principle of live and let live. Thank you.